the next topic is the Miller indices. The Miller indices, it is used for the specify the direction and planes. The Miller indices are used to specify the directions and planes. These directions and planes could be in lattices or in crystals. These are the directions and planes could be in lattices or in crystals. The number of indices will match with the dimension of the lattices or the crystal. Example, in one dimensional there will be one index, and two dimensional there will be two indices. In the representation of Miller indices in a different way, so in bracket of h, k, l used in a comma, it shows or it represent a point. In a most general way, the Miller indices are expressed by bracket of h, k and l, and no commas is used between them. In that, different kind of bracket have specific meanings. Different kind of brackets have a specific meanings. In bracket of HKL represent a plane. In square bracket of HKL represent direction. In HKL, third one is in bracket of HKL represent a family of directions. So consider a plane A, B and C which has intercept two axial units on x axis, two axial units on b axis or y axis, and one axial units on z axis. So the numerical parameters are 2, 2 and 1. Therefore, the orientation in Miller indices is 2, 2, 1. So how to find out the Miller indices? For that, the procedure for finding the Miller indices in that way, first is finding the intercepts on the axis in terms of lattice constant A, B, C. Here in figure it shows the lattice constant on x axis is A, y axis in B, and in z axis it shows the constant C. Here, see that. So first, finding the Miller indices, we have to first finding the intercept on the axis in terms of lattice constant A, B and C. So first we will find on x axis the lattice constant is 2A, on y axis the lattice constant is 2B, on z axis the lattice constant is C, that is 1. So this intercept shows in that way, that is the P1A, P2B and P3C. That is P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 2 and P3 is equal to 1. Next, second point is take the reciprocal of the numbers P1, P2 and P3. That is 1 half, 1 half, 1 1. How is it? That is the reciprocal of the numbers, that is the 1 upon P1 is equal to 2, that is equal to the reciprocal of this P1 is 1 half. Another is P2, the reciprocal of this is 1 half, and another is P3, the reciprocal of P3 is 1 by 1. So third point, to find the Miller indices, convert it into whole number by multiplying each with their least common multiple factor. These reciprocal of numbers p1, p2 and p3 is multiplying each other with their least common multiple factors, that is the h, k and l planes. So the h is equal to 2 into 1 half. This is the least common multiple factor for this 1 half, that is 2 into 1 half. For k, k is equal to 2 into 1 half, and for l is equal to 2 into 1 by 1. So this is the your Miller indices, and it shows or it enclosed in the bracket as it is 1 1 2